Hey everyone. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps on how to delete a group in WhatsApp. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the Chats section. Now, search for the group you want to delete. I've got a test group here as an example. Click on it to enter the group. At the top, you'll see the group's name. Tap on it. And as you scroll down to the very bottom, you'll find the Exit Group feature. If you tap on Exit Group, it will remove you. But the group and all participants will stay. If you want to remove everyone from the group, you'll need to do it manually. Tap on any participant. Select Remove from Group, and repeat this process for each participant. Unfortunately, WhatsApp doesn't have a Remove All Users option. So it might take a moment. After you've removed all participants, go ahead and clear the group chat. Once that's done, you can leave the group by tapping Exit Group and again click on Exit Group. Now, head back to the Chat section. Once you are in the Chat section, swipe Group to the left. Then tap on More, and then select Delete Group. Confirm by tapping Delete again. And there you have it. The group is successfully removed from your WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.